show y'all this shit real quick. I'm shooting a video right now with Kyle. Super duper Kyle. We shooting this Hey Julie video, man. I'm real bored, man. Huh. And I got them guys, man. You know what I'm saying?
That's what we're really seeing when I was
things.
See, this is for real.
You know what I'm saying? This is really far. They really sound good, though. Got them right here, man. Y'all want to see these shits, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I got them on me always, Jacob. They always on me, officer. Let's see what's going on in this bit, man. Who can we? I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm far away. I'm so far away. I'm in California, but I'm so far. No, these are not your surprise, King. I'm slow. I'm in the middle of nowhere, y'all. All these snacks. Came here to figure out what's going on, man.
Does anybody else drink one of these? Is it just me?
Just you, dog.
What's up, my man? What's going on? Boy, man, I really came in here to show this ice, man. Show how we rocking, man. How we pimping. You know what I'm saying? I'm on fleek, you know what I'm saying? I'm a bad bitch. LA. Fuck that shit. Niggas was hanging on my hand yesterday, you know what I'm saying? Saying nigga was ashy, you know what I'm saying? Now nigga icy, you know what I'm saying? Ben, you beautiful motherfucker. I love you. I love you, Ben. I love you. Although you don't wanna make me no peace, I still love you. What's up, K.I.D? How you doing? I was done, bruh. I was done wearing it. Now I'm back. You know what I'm saying? I'm this motherfucker, man. I'm on my shit, man. You see how I pierced my ears, Ben? I pierced my ears, man. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Trying to, you know what I'm saying? I heard it's a Lakers game now. It's like when I'm in LA camp. Trying to get right. You know what I'm saying? Still the sink on the back. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Kyle, what's up? Say what's up to my live.
What's good, little niggas?
What's up, peeps? You don't try to play me. Why are you trying to play me in front of 2,800 people, bro? 100 niggas left because you just did that.
Damn. A lot. It's dropping since you came on. Like,
damn, I'm fucking.
Damn,
man, I'm out.
Get out of here, bro. Get out of here.
I'm out.
He's gone, y'all. He's gone. He left. Ben Baller said, "Fuck you, Kyle." Yo, the second you got on here, I lost like 400 people, bro.
No, please.
All right, cool. I'm ready.
Shit just went up.
Nah, shit went back up when you got. Don't come back in.
What's
bro.
good? Hey, what's up?
My shit went back up, and now it's gonna drop again. My shit's going back
It
up.
went up. It went up. Look.
No, that's because you got out of the camera.
Nah, hold on.
You come back in, it's
Hey,
gonna
what's good? I'm
fucking
back,
drop
niggas.
again.
Yeah. Look, you still going up, bro. I'm helping.
They calling you Kyle from Netflix.
I am Kyle from Netflix. By the way, I got some more Netflix shit dropping too.
Me too.
Bro, you too, bro. Hey, YACHTY, yo. young actors out here. Young actors, you feel me? You know you need to go see YACHTY in that Teen Titans movie. Stop playing.
Where that hoodie at?
Oh, Evander, what's up, dog?
You see what Ben said to you?
What'd he say? Yo, fuck you too, little nigga. Run hands. What's up? Exactly.
The right hand's Ben Baller, he said.
I'm kidding, Ben Baller. I would never fight you. You have too much clout. But if you need that.
Hey, man. They call you Seisha Boy. My boy,
Hey,
Kel.
by the way, that's politically incorrect. Y'all can't really do that. You know what I mean? It's fucked up.
It's my boy, Brother Nature, man. It's your boy, Brother Nature. Today I'm out here with the Capri Suns. These are wild Capri Suns. These Capri Suns have been endangered and extinct.
Yeah, I don't know what I did to this.
It's your boy, Brother Nature. We here to save the Capri Suns. Yo, it smell like weed. Who's smoking?
Big gas. Bro, yo, something smells like super gas all of a sudden.
I don't smoke. It's your boy, Brother Nature, and I'm here to save the Capri Suns.
Heavy shit right Something about I'm deeply offended.
Yo, first off, Ben Baller actually loves me.
But he hates me for some reason.
I got you, Fiji.
Bro, yeah, I mean, hey, repair that relationship.
Yeah, Ben Baller loves me. The fact that he is sitting here in my live, because he's still in this bitch, he loves me.
Yeah. I'm sorry, Ben Baller. I don't even know what I did to offend you. You know what I mean? But
No, Ben, when Ben Baller says fuck you, it's really his way of saying hey.
all right. Hi. What's up?
That's literally how we greet each other. By the way, Evander, I love you. Love you.
We finna make an action comedy, an action buddy comedy called The Adventures of Kyle and Boat. We're gonna play CIA agents. You don't seem interested. You're not down in that? That would be fire, nigga. I mean, shit. If y'all trying to make a blockbuster, you know,
My shit's dropping again, Kyle.
Alright, I'm out. Whatever, man. Fuck y'all then. Look.
God damn, I don't know what it is. I don't know. And then we in Houston tomorrow. Yo, if you're in Houston and you ain't got your motherfucking tickets for the motherfucking injured youth tour, me and motherfucking ASAP Rocky and 10K fucking cash tomorrow, nigga, it's going fucking crazy, nigga. And we in Dallas, day after tomorrow. We in Dallas. Nigga, it's been a long time since I've been in Texas doing a show. Fuck it, nigga. We going 18. We going ballistic, nigga. What we saying right now? We in Houston tomorrow. We in Dallas on what's today? Thursday? Friday? Friday. We in Dallas on today's Friday?
Today's Friday.
Sure. We in Dallas on Sunday, nigga. Houston tomorrow, Dallas Sunday, man. We're going crazy, man. Hey, I'm going. Fuck it, man. We in this, man. I ain't really got shit to talk about, man. I should stop coming on here, man. I'm gonna start coming on here only when I got something to talk about. Because realistically, bro, I have nothing to talk about. You know what I mean? Like, I don't have nothing to talk about. I'm just here, man. You know what I'm saying? Aaliyah, you're watching my live? Hey, sis. Chase the money. Little Candy Pain. John Robbins. Evander Shrimp. Yo, Evander, are you coming to the Texas? Bro, Houston and Dallas, bro. You should come to the show, bro. Tomorrow, come fuck with me. Fuck with your player. We ready? Hey. Like calling for me. Put my eyes up. One of my assistants. I don't see neither one of them. Where we going? All right. Dallas and Houston this weekend, man. I need to see you out there. Yeah, I'm still on the live, man.
Try this again. Hey, what's up, y'all? Shit. Hey, you know what's good? Don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave. I just want to talk to y'all real quick. Shit. Hope everybody having a good day.
Yeah.
Fuck. 4 people left. All right. Look.
Whoa.
Nah. Is more? Nah. They're still in there. Fuck. All right. They leaving. All right. I'm out. My bad. And I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna try that again.
They drop when he comes. Listen, how he's looking. How's we looking? I'm in LA, man, but I go to Texas tomorrow.
Alright, so what's good, niggas? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm back in here. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Hey. Ooh. Let's go.
She'll probably do like 2 loops around the neighborhood.
Keith, what's up, GOAT? Motherfucking GOAT in this motherfucking live, man. What's up, Keith?
So who's driving? I'm driving? Alright. Hey.
I want one of them whips.
Everybody pray for us. I'm driving. You never seen me drive before.
Can you drive?
You know. I'm alright.
You got a license?
I got a license, but like, you know what I mean? Do I use it? Not really.
Oh, okay. Alright. Yeah, man. And this nigga know what's fucking on, man. Big boy shit.
I don't know.
I could drive. I got, yeah, I got a license. Motherfucker suspended. I got one. Hey, man, I'm about to get up off here, man, because I really ain't got shit to talk about. I feel like I'm really boring y'all. I don't know if y'all niggas. I don't know, bro. I don't want to just be on here, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm just here.
I didn't go crash the car.
Whoa, niggas in LA.
Y'all didn't go crash the car.
I'm only here for the night.
What's up, nigga? Just don't leave. Don't leave. Stay. All right, they're going up. All right, cool. All right, lit. Fuck. No, we went up. We went up 7.
You just dropped down, though.
Damn.
Oh my God.
Cool. All right, think I'm out.
Yo, bro, they don't fuck with you, bro. I'm in here, though, man. I can't even tell how I'm looking. It's so bright. I'm feeling cute. Like I'm feeling beaut. What a motherfucking slack. Yeah, man. We out here, man. We in LA for the night. Yeah, man. You know what the fuck going on, man. Man, I don't even know what else to say, man. I'm about to get up off here, man. I don't know what the fuck to talk about, y'all. Like, nigga, we just in this bitch. I'm in this motherfucker. Look at these. I want y'all to show your parents these engagement rings, man. Go to your mother and be like, look, my dad got your ring too small. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry, I get married. See, when I get married, if ever, I get married, man, my wife gonna have a ring so big, you dig me? I'm buying her 10 carats. 10 carat ring for my wife. 10 carat ring if I ever get a wife, you know what I'm saying? But that's if I ever get one. But I'm driving.
You driving, bro. I'm not gonna try and fuck this up.
All right, cool. Is this a stick shift? Cause I can only drive automatic.
I can't think either.
It's automatic. It's automatic.
All right.
I did that too.
Oh, this car long as fuck. I'm about to get off here then, y'all, cause I'm about to drive. I'm driving in a motherfucking old school whip.
Alright,
Might
everybody,
die.
you know what I mean? Just go holler at me sometime, you know what I mean? What's up? I know our relationship isn't really where it needs to be yet, but, you know, just come fuck with me sometime, alright?
Yeah, man. Hey, man, I'm in LA with it.
So Kyle, I'm gonna have you lean.
I'm saying I love.
Yeah.
I'm
So like, and then you could stay.
I don't
back.
even know, man. I feel good, man. It's good weather out here. We in Houston tomorrow, Dallas day after. I love